Today we are going to see how we can print Fibonacci series using C# console application. Before going to implement the application, we need to understand what is a Fibonacci series. Okay. As you can see on the screen, this is called a Fibonacci series. In this series, the first two numbers are defined initially to generate the consequent numbers, means the next numbers. If we add the first two numbers, it will generate the next number, that is 1. Similarly, if you want to get that fourth number, we need to add the 1 and this one to get the fourth number, that is 2. This way the series will follow. Now let's start programming this. First of all, we need to prompt user to enter the length of the series. Enter number. Okay. In order to read the number from the output window, we need to declare one variable called count. Okay. Now, in order to read the number from the output screen, C# defined one method called console.read line method. This method returns the data in string type. In order to convert that, we need to use this method into .parse. Now, whenever user enters or provides data from output screen, that data will be assigned to the count variable. Now, as I already said, the initial two numbers are already provided. In order to hold that two numbers, we can declare two variables called f, s. Okay. As we know the first two numbers, we can initialize these variables with those numbers. F is equal to 0 and s is equal to 1. Now, in order to print the next number, we need to declare another variable called t. Okay. Now, you can directly print the first two numbers, that is f and s, by using write line method. F and s. Now, in order to produce the subsequent numbers in the series, we need to start one for loop. Okay. For int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to count I plus plus. Okay. This loop will continue till I value becomes the count. The count holds the variable value which user has provided from the output screen. Okay. Now, in order to generate the third number, we need to write this logic as t is equal to f plus s, means by adding first number and the second number, we can get the third number. Now you can directly print this number on the screen by using console.writeLine method. Okay, now we have printed the number. Now, in order to print the fourth number or subsequent numbers, we have to swap the numbers. Okay, if you want to understand clearly, go to this screen. Till now we have printed this one. Now we have to print the number 2. Okay, but 0 whole, the variable f holds 0 and the variable s holds 1. Now we have to make and sorry we need and the variable t holds 1. Now we have to make this number as the first number and this number as the second number. Means we need to assign this value to f and this value to t, this t value to s. F is equal to s and s is equal to t. Okay, that's it. In order to keep our output window open, let's write this line read key. The window will be open till user enters some key from the keyboard. Now let's start building your application or running by pressing the start button here, or you can press F5 from the keyboard. Now the application started building. Once the application builds successfully, the output window will appear and it will prompt for a number. Okay, just enter the number as 10. Now you can see the result on the output window. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, so on till 89. Okay, if you observe, the third number is generated by adding the first two numbers 0 and 1. If you observe this number, this will be generated. Sorry, this is generated from preceding two numbers, that is 1 and 1. If you add 1 and 1, it will become 2. Like this, the Fibonacci series will be generated. Hope you understand this program implementation. Keep watching my videos and please do subscribe. Thank you.